question is expand each of the following. Expand x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Okay, so here we need to understand this identity a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus twice of ab plus twice of bc plus twice of ca. Okay, this is the identity which we are going to use in this question. A plus b plus c whole square is a square b square c square, twice of ab, twice of bc, and twice of ca, right? So this you can note down this because this will be based on this. So now here, when we are looking at question number 4, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square, right? So we are going to have x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. This is the question, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So I'm going to use this formula, this identity. So this is going to become x square plus 2y whole square plus 4z whole square plus twice of ab. So 2 into the first term x into the second term 2y plus 2bc, that is 2 into the second term 2y into the third term 4z. So a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc, and 2ca. This is a, this is b, and this is c. So 2ca means 2 into the c value is 4z into x. So here we are going to get x square plus 4y square. We are opening the bracket. 4z whole square will become 16z square plus 2 into 2 is 4. So 4xy plus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16yz plus here we get 8zx. Okay, so x square, 4y square, 16z square, 2 into a into b, that is 4xy, 2 to the 4, 4 into 4, 16, 16yz, and 2 into 4, 8, 8 into z into x, 8zx. So this will be our answer number 1. For the second one, we have 2x minus y plus z whole square. There's a negative there. 2x minus y plus z whole square. 2x minus y plus z whole square. Okay, so the identity will remain same. 2x minus y plus z whole square. But what we need to do is just replace the b with negative. So we have a square plus, okay, the identity has plus. Only in terms of b, the b is negative. So minus y whole square plus z square plus 2ab, so 2 into 2x, and when you put the value of b, please remember that's negative y, plus, so 2ab, 2b into c, so 2 into minus y into positive z, plus 2 into z into 2x. So this is going to be 4x square. When you square negative, that's going to become positive, so this will become y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz and positive 4zx. Okay, a square, b square, c square. So all the first 3 terms will always be positive. Then we have minus 4xy because there's a negative here, minus 2yz, and plus 2 into 2, 4xz or 4zx. So that's answer number 2. Now I'm going to do the third part for you, that is minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. So I'm using this identity, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into c into a. Here the a value is negative, so wherever there's a, I have put negative. 2x, square it, we get 4x square, 9y square, 4z square. The first 3 will always be positive. And now I'm multiplying 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, minus 12xy This is going to be 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12yz, and multiply this 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 8zx. So a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Just you have to be careful about the negative sign. The first three will always be positive. Only we have to be careful about the other terms. Fourth part. 3a minus 7b minus c. There are two negative terms now. 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. So this will be 3a whole square plus minus 7b whole square plus minus c whole square, twice of 3a into minus 7b plus twice of minus 7b into minus c plus twice of minus c into positive 3a. Opening the bracket, we get 9a square, 49b square, c square. Again, all the negatives have become positive. Here, of course, 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So minus 42ab. This is two negatives are there, so it will become positive. So 14, positive 14 BC. And here I'm going to multiply 2 into minus c into positive 3a. That is minus 6ca, right? This will be answer number 4. Then we have the fifth part. In the fifth part, the question is minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square, right? This is the question, minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. So this is a, b, and c. So a square, b square, and c square. Okay, I have put abc plus twice of ab. So 2 into minus 2x into 5y plus 2 into 5y into minus 3z plus 2 into AB is over, 2 into B into C is over, now 2CA. So 2 into minus 3Z into minus 2X. So we get the answer here, 4X squared, 25Y squared, 9Z squared. 2 to the 4, 5 is 20. So minus 20XY. Okay, just make sure of the negative sign here, minus 20. Then we have the next 2 into 5, 10, 10 and 3, 30, minus 30, minus 30 YZ. Then you have two negatives here, so that will become positive. 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So plus 12 ZX. So this will be answer number 5. Then the last part, we have 1 by 4a minus half b plus 1 whole square. 1 by 4a minus half b plus 1 whole square. Okay. So a square, I'm going to take b as minus half b plus c square, 2 into 1 by 4a into minus half b plus 2 into minus half b into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 by 4a. Right? So answer will be 1 by 16a square, 1 by 4b square plus 1. First three terms. Here 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. So what is left here is minus ab by 4. Minus ab by 4 is left. 2 and 2 is getting cancelled here. Minus b is left. Here 2 and 4 gets cancelled 2 times. So what is left here is a by 2. So we have expanded all the 6 parts based on the identity a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2bc, and 2c, right? So this is done. Now this is the reverse, question number 5. Okay, question number 5 is the reverse here. In question number 5, we have factorize. This is already the expanded form. We have to factorize. So how to do this? 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16. So let me just note down this. Right. So question number 5, the first part was 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz and minus 16xz. Okay, this was the question. So what you need to understand here is that there are two negative terms. So just concentrate on these negative terms, minus 24yz and minus 16xz. The alphabet that is common, you'll have to just check the alphabet which is common here, yz and xz. Z is common, that means z is negative. Okay. Again, I'm repeating, there are two negative terms here. So whichever is the negative term here, yz and xz, the common alphabet is z. So that means z is negative. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2x whole square, 3y whole square, and here z is the common alphabet for the negative term. So I'm going to write it as minus 4z whole square. Okay, this is the important part here. Minus 4z whole square, because 16 square is 4 square, but negative y because there is a negative term here and negative term here. The common alphabet is z. Plus 2ab, so 2 into 2x into 3y. So when I multiply these three, I'm getting this. 2 into b into c, that is 2 into 3y into minus 4z. When I multiply 2 into 3y into minus 4z, then only I will get minus 24yz. Otherwise, you will not get this negative 24yz. So that is why I insisted that this should be taken as negative. Plus 2 into c into a, that is 2 into minus 4z into 2x. When I multiply this, then only I'll get minus 16xz. Now, a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca can be factorized as a plus b plus c whole square. So answer will be 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. So it's actually the reverse identity of what we've been doing in the previous question. There we had expanded, now we are factorizing. Okay, so answer will be a plus b plus c whole square, that is 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. So you can note down this 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Then I'll explain to you the second part. So you can also write this twice. So 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square is actually 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. The square means the same thing repeated twice. Then the second one, mark this important, 2x square, y square, 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. This is important. So I'm going to write down this question for you. Question number 5, part 2, that is 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. Okay, this was the question. Again, if I am seeing at the negative terms, xy here and xz here, x is negative. Okay, the x term is negative, so I know my x term is negative. But unlike the previous question, these are not perfect squares. Suppose the number was 4x square, I could have easily written as 2x whole square. But right now it is 2x square. So what am I going to do in these kind of questions is take the square root of the number and square it. See, suppose you are having 3, I can write it as root 3 square. You are having 5, I can write it as root 5 whole square. Okay, when you square a root, you get the number. So if it is not a perfect square, if it is 9, it's easy, 3 square. But if it is 8, I have to write it as root 8 whole square. So that is why this question is important. So I'm going to write this as a root 2x whole square. But here I know that my x is negative. So I'm going to write here minus root 2x whole square. Okay. I'm taking root 2. Why? Because it's not a perfect square. So I'll take the root and square it. And why negative? Because if I compare these two, xy and xz, the negative terms, x is negative. So this will become y whole square. Plus, again, the same problem here, 8 is not a perfect root. So I'm going to take the root of 8 and square it. So I can write it as root 8z whole square. Minus, okay, plus 2ab. So 2 into a is negative root 2x into y. So I need minus 2 root 2xy. That is obtained by multiplying 2ab. Plus 2 into b into c. So 2 into y into root 8z. I'm going to write it as 2ab, 2bc and 2ca format. 2 into c into a. So what is the value of c here? C is root 8z into a value is minus root 2x. So we got a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc and 2ca, right? So this will be a plus b plus c whole square. So answer will be minus root 2x plus y plus root 8z whole square. Now root 8, if you look at root 8, this is 2 into 2 into 2. So I can factorize this. I'll make groups of 2 and that will come out. When you take square root, you have to make groups of 2. I hope you have done this in class 8. So this 2 is going to come out. So I can write this as 2 root 2. So 8 can be written as 2 root 2 because 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. This becomes a pair. Whenever there is a pair that comes outside. So 2 comes outside, 2 is left. So 2 root 2. So that is why you will have to do an additional step in this. That means you will have to write the answer here as minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. Okay. You will have to write this as minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. Or we can write this twice. 2 root 2z minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. So this will be the answer to the second part. So you can mark this as important because this is slightly different. So this is question number 4 and 5. So in the next video, I'll be explaining the next few questions.